Hello and welcome. I'm Gosia, Head of HR here at Menlo Electric, the fastest growing PV distributor. Today, you will hear real stories from our team members about the opportunities, growth and experiences which Menlo offers. So, discover what makes Menlo a truly special and unique place to work for you.
I joined Menlo Electric because my colleagues feel like my family and we all share a customer-centric approach. We came together from all regions of the world. We're working together daily and this is where colleagues have become family.
What inspired me to join Menlo is it's obviously a global company that works on family values, which is very close to my heart, and that's the reason I joined Menlo.
What inspired me joining Menlo is the same thing which inspires me giving every day my best. It's a corporate social responsibility program in which you're gonna bring change to society. So, in difference to all other companies, it's not about profit, it's about the social change you and we can do.
What initially interested me about Menlo was that it's a renewable energy company and that it's actually international. But ultimately what sold me on the company was the recruitment process and how straightforward and smooth it was.
Probably my most memorable experience at Menlo was our recent trip to Georgia, where we had our 3rd birthday. Had a very great time in Georgia. We got to meet each other and engage and learn each other's cultures, which was a very great experience.
So the unique opportunities which Menlo is giving me, apart from other places I worked before, is dynamism and acceptance. People accept here like how you are, they give you enough responsibilities to work how you need it, and they're gonna make this place work for you. So I've never witnessed that the job is so well fitting to my needs.
The culture in Menlo is a very easygoing, flexible and dynamic culture. The fact that we benefit of not being micromanaged allows us to make quicker decisions as individuals that helps our customers benefit of doing business quicker.
To explain to friends and family the culture at Menlo Electric, there's always someone available to help you, no matter how big or small the task is. If you are unsure of a particular matter or a subject, there is always someone that you can get a second opinion from at the end of the day to make an informed and professional decision.
If you're looking for a career in renewable energy, look no further than Menlo. It's a corporate company without the corporate culture.
There's so many reasons why you would want to work for Menlo. For me personally, the important factor is that it's a happy and healthy working environment, which is very important to me, and I choose to be happy.